HTML structural elements. HTML provides structural elements to organize the layout of a web page. Header defines a header for a document or section. Now defines navigation links. Section defines a section in a document. Article defines an independent piece of content. Aside defines content aside from the main content. Footer defines a footer. These elements help create semantic and well-organized layouts. This sets the browser tab title to header. Links breaks 5. Tags are used to create vertical spacing blank lines, each else on empty line. Note: while it works using CSS margin paddings is a better practice for spacing. Header now section aside footer. Article the tag assignment HTML element. It usually contains the logo, title, or top part of a web page. HTML adds an image inside if the header. Attribute main source image HTML GIF path to the image file. This means the image is located inside a folder named image.html. Alternative text shown if the image count, load, and read by screen readers good for accessibility. Alt HTML. What? HTML GIF. HTML height, title, header, title, yet, body, break, header image, source image, HTML GIF, alt HTML, header, bar, break, HR, body HTML. Image source HTML GIF. HTML navbar, now ul, kofte milk, navbar, kofte milk. Set the title of the browser tab to navbar. is a semantic HTML tag used to define a navigation section of the website. It's often used to hold menus, links, or any kinds of site navigation tools. Even though this example uses plain list items. Usually engines now use tag links to make them clickable. HTML section. Section audio controls. Horse. Section video section. Section iframe section. What audio section, video section, iframe section. The section tag is a semantic HTML element. It is used to group related content on a web page. If your example is media type, audio, video, iframe, even its own section. Audio section. Audio controls, source, audio controls, source, type. Video section, video, weight, height, controls, width, height. Controls as play, pause, volume controls. These and behaviors set the size of the video. Multiple formats have super different browsers. YouTube embed sections, iframe, weight, height, source, width, height, source. Footer, HTML footer, UL, alike of the milks. HTML element explosion footer tag. The footer tag defines a footer section for the document or a section of it. It is usually placed at the bottom of a page or section. Typical content includes contact information, social media links, copyright notices, navigation menus, related document or resource. In your example, it contains a list of items: coffee, tea, milk. This code reference, for instance, links to product categories in a real website, URL. In this case, you're using it inside the footer to simulate navigation or products categories. Document body header: my website, h1, now, home, about, contact, href. Section h2, welcome section. Aside related contents per paragraph. Footer, copyright, footer. My website, href, link, welcome section.